Compressed air systems are essential in many industries, but they generate wastewater that's tough to manage. Traditional disposal methods are costly and high maintenance, posing a risk of groundwater contamination if not handled properly. CRP and IDC oil-water separators revolutionize compressed air condensate management with their proprietary alumina silicate substrate media. This media attracts contaminants while repelling water, guaranteeing lubricant removal down to 10 parts per million or less and compliance with all local, state, and federal regulations. CRP and IDC Paks are versatile, able to effectively remove all emulsified and non-emulsified lubricants, including PAGs, even when multiple lubricant types are present. They're easy to install, require minimal maintenance, and are suitable for most any commercial or industrial application. These self-contained units simplify the condensate management process, eliminating the need for messy bag changeouts. They offer a seamless solution, reducing the risk of contamination and making maintenance a breeze.